Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to connect from your phone to your PC remotely by using TeamViewer. So guys, firstly, of course you can look on my phone and on my PC screen. So you need to, on your phone, enter your ID of your PC. So let me just input it. Oh, it's already here because I've already inputted. Great. Now guys, just press on connect, and after that, of course, don't forget to input the password, which is very easy as well. Okay, now in here we can start inputting our password, so let us do that. Okay, and press connect. And as you can see, bingo, now I am connected to my PC. As you can see, nothing is on the screen. Let me open something up. Okay, so for example, I have opened my browser with, as you can see, TeamViewer website, and I can just zoom in and, for example, browse the website, go to the products, go to TeamViewer Remote, press on that, and as you can see, it's opening on my PC. So now you have a full control over your PC from your mobile phone easily like this. So guys, as you can see, pretty simple. You just need to have your password, your ID, press on connect, and you're done. Guys, enjoy the tutorial. If you liked it, press thumbs up and of course subscribe. See you soon.